Zyban, also known by its generic name Bupropion, is a medication primarily used as an aid to quit smoking. It belongs to a class of drugs called antidepressants, specifically the aminoketone class. While the exact mechanism of action in smoking cessation is not fully understood, it is believed that Zyban works by affecting neurotransmitters in the brain, particularly dopamine and norepinephrine, which play a role in nicotine addiction. Zyban is typically taken orally in the form of extended-release tablets. It is usually started before the quit date to allow the medication to build up in the system and is often continued for several weeks after quitting smoking to reduce the risk of relapse. In addition to its use in smoking cessation, Zyban is also prescribed off-label for the treatment of depression. It is often used as an alternative to selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors (SRIS) or serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors (SNRIS) for individuals who have not responded well to these medications or who experience sexual side effects with them. Common side effects of Zyban may include dry mouth, insomnia, headache, and nausea. More serious side effects are rare but may include seizures, especially in individuals with a history of seizures or certain medical conditions. As with any medication, Zyban should be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional who can assess individual patient needs and monitor for potential side effects. It's important for patients to discuss any concerns or changes in symptoms with their healthcare provider while taking Zyban. Additionally, patients should inform their healthcare provider of any other medications they are taking, as Zyban may interact with certain drugs.